Welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter 1 rational numbers for the class 8. Today we are going to see about the example 3. So the given problem is find 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. So how to solve this problem? So to solve this problem we require two properties. One is commutative property, another one is distributive property. So first of all, let me see what is commutative property. So according to commutative property, we can say that a plus b is equal to b plus a. That is, even though when we change the order of these two numbers, the sum we will get the same result, right? So for example, 3 plus 4 will be equal to 4 plus 3. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 3 is also 7. So even though when we change the order, the sum what we get will be the same for both the terms, right? This is the commutative property. And then distributive property. So for the distributive property, we have a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. That is, when we have the sum b plus c and which is multiplied by the common factor outside, then that will be equivalent to the common factor what we have, that we have to multiply individually to each terms whatever it is there inside, and then we have to put a plus sign in between. So a into b and then a into c we have to write, and then we have to make a sum of these two terms. So that will be equivalent to this term. So this is nothing but the distributive property. So in simple, what I can say, if I have 2 into 3 plus 4, right? What I can write, 2 into 3 as well as 2 into 4, and in between I need to put plus sign. Okay. So what it is? It is 6 plus 8. Similarly here it is 7 into 2. So 7 into 2 is 14. Here 8 plus 6 is 14. So both are same. Okay. So this is nothing but the distributive property. So using these two properties we are going to solve this problem. Okay. So here it is numbers, here it is fraction, that is only the difference. Okay. So with this knowledge we can go into the problem. So when we see these two terms, right, here commonly what we have, here also we have minus 3 by 7, here also I have minus 3 by 7. Okay. So in order to get this properly, right, in order to have both the terms properly, what I can do is, first of all I need to rewrite the equation. Okay. So how I can rewrite the equation? So these two terms I have common terms. First let me have both the terms in one side and then middle term in the another side. Okay. So let me change the order of the terms. Okay. So we are changing these two terms order. Okay. So we are going to apply commutative property. So keep your first term as it is, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. Okay. So change these two terms. Okay. I am going to write this term first, minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5, and then this term next. Okay. So since we are changing the order of these two terms, we are applying what? Commutative property. So by commutativity we can write like this. Okay. So after this, again here I have minus 3 by 7, here minus 3 by 7, but to properly write, okay, so I can rewrite this middle term as properly, that is, these two terms actually it is an addition. Okay. So this I can write like this, into 3 by 5. Why I am writing like this? Anyway, plus into minus is nothing but what? Minus. So I can write this minus as middle term plus, and then minus I am writing like this. Okay. So just I am simplifying the middle term. Okay. So that it is easy for us. So here also one minus 3 by 7, here also one minus 3 by 7. So in both the term I have minus 3 by 7 as common. So I can take that term outside. Okay, so how I can write minus 3 by 7, I can take commonly outside. So what happens, the remaining term is 2 by 5, here it is plus, here it is 3 by 5. It is nothing but distributive property. So now you can check this. Okay, actually here in the right hand side we have AB plus AC. It is similar to, this is A term, this is B term, this is A term, this is C term. So AB and AC, it is like this. Okay, whatever we have in the right hand side, it is like this, these two terms, and we are writing this term as that of your left hand side. Okay, in both the terms I have commonly A, right, and now this is B, this is C. So A into B plus C. Okay, so no issues that I can write AB as BA also, correct. So I have minus 1 by 14 as the remaining term. So now I need to simplify this term. Minus 3 by 7 you can keep as it is. In both the terms, since it is in addition, right, rational numbers, it is in addition, both the terms I have commonly 5. You can take that as denominator. Numerator I can just simply add. Okay, so no need to find out LCM and all, because both the terms are same. So denominator term keep as it is, numerator term add just. Okay, so you have minus 3 by 7 into 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 by 5, minus 1 by 14. So anyway I have 5 get cancelled. So 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5. So I have minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14. Okay. So minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 I have, because 1 into any value is nothing but 1. Okay. Now then, so here it is different term. So I need to find out the LCM. If the denominator is different, I need to find out the LCM. So how we can take LCM? So 2, 3, 5 and all, it is not there. So directly you can go for the 7th table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So next 1 you can write as it is, 2 tables you can apply. So 2 1s are 2, right? When all the terms are 1, you can stop doing this, and whatever the term we have, right? So using that we can find out the LCM. So 7 into 2 is nothing but 14. So common term is nothing but 14, right? So while taking the LCM and having 14. So now we need to check. So in order to get 14, see the denominator of the first term. What you can do, as we have said before, here it is 7, here it is 7. Okay, so leave the term 7, remaining term is 2. So with 2 I need to multiply both numerator and denominator. So 7 2s are 14, I am getting, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so with this knowledge, what I can do, I can know that minus 3 into 2 I have in the numerator. Denominator it is 14, 14 only I have, so nothing to multiply here, write as it is. Okay, so minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, minus 1 divided by 14, so it is minus 7 by 14. 7 tables you can apply, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, so it is minus 1 by 2. So this is the final answer. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.